And someone I was talking to at ITC, I think said something to the effect of, it's worked for insurers over the last 100 years. Like it might have been even you. Like this could have been the conversation we had last week. Could have been, you were safe. Like it was okay to be a fast follower in quotes.
This wasn't me, but keep going with it.
Okay, so it was okay. It was probably the safe position to be in.
Yeah.
Was let someone else take the risk. Let them kind of validate that a market exists or doesn't exist, and then we'll come in at some point once we see that it's actually working. So that was probably a prudent manner of doing underwriting, because data science with big data is still in its infancy. Like we're talking 20, 30 years. And so in an actuarial based way, any new product is super risky, because it's a leap of faith. That first launch, you're crossing your fingers and saying, we think we know, we're going to guess what the rate is and kind of move forward. And then you slowly wait for those claims to come in to validate those things. So it's probably prudent for an insurer to kind of wait for someone else to jump in the pond. Right. I think that's over. Like you can't have that kind of business model paradigm. It will crush you now. You will be getting adversely selected. So your business is going to be, it's not like you're going to go out of business, but your business is going to be eroding underneath you. And you're not going to be sure why. Like you're going to think you're doing all of the right things, but it sounds like what will happen is what happened to insurers in commercial auto, where the rate increases and the changes in underwriting in arrears could not catch up to what was actually happening. And so every time they did a rate increase, it didn't matter. Like the claims were out ahead of them. And it was just year after year of just being behind. And that's what's going to happen to auto insurers that aren't up to telematics. And we're going to see the same thing in devices, sensors in property insurance. I am Nick Lamparelli, and this is the future of insurance.